Can you use Canva design on other platforms without credit? So generally, you can use Canva designs on other platforms without giving credit provided you combine stock elements into a unique design. However, you must never use individual elements standalone. You cannot use them for trademarks, and editorial uses require attribution. Now, to use it on other platform, what you have to do is you must export them to your phone stories and upload them to the other apps. Now, to export from the Canva mobile app, launch the Canva. Now, go to your designs or projects at the bottom. Then select your design. Then tap the share icon, an arrow pointing upwards in the top right corner. Now choose download from the menu option. Now select PNG or JPG for social media or MP4 for video. Then tap the purple download button to save it to your phone's gallery. Now launch the platform. Now once you download it to your phone's gallery, launch the platform where you want to use the design. Then tap plus or create button within that app. Then open your phone's photo library or gallery. Then select the Canva image or video you just saved. Then add your caption and tap share or post. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.